Hey girls, it's Kara from the University of Florida. By now, most of you have gotten all of your college decisions, and the next step is choosing where you want to go. This is definitely a stressful time in your life. Trust me, I remember I was freaking out, but it's definitely a decision that shouldn't be taken lightly. A lot of emails have been coming through from girls debating whether or not they want to go to UF, so I thought that I would kind of generalize this blog so that it can apply to anyone when choosing where they want to go to school for the next 4 years. Just a little bit of what I went through. At this time last year, I was gung-ho going to go to Penn State. I had it all planned out, where I wanted to live, what I wanted to be involved in. It was my first choice school. UF was honestly my last choice. Then Penn State literally gave me $0, zero, on my financial aid report, so that dream kind of died really quick. In the end, I chose UF, and the things I'm about to tell you definitely played a huge role in that. First of all, don't worry about having a full ride. Really, you have to think more about what the school has to offer you and that you'll be getting an education worth paying for, as opposed to not being able to afford it at all. It's more of whether or not you'll be happy there and if it's feasible. UF was the only school in Florida that I actually applied to. I grew up in New York, so I was very adamant about moving back there. I was really narrow-minded, but I finally realized that UF was a better fit for me, both academically and financially. Second, campus tours. I cannot stress enough how important campus tours are. If it weren't for a campus tour of UF, I probably wouldn't be here. Going on a tour really gives you a feel of the campus, especially if you go while class is in session, and really it's the make it or break it point. You'll either feel like you belong or you don't. Third, sports. If you want to go to a big sports school, think more about spirit of the school as opposed to how often your team wins, because granted, UF doesn't win all the time, but the spirit of the Gator Nation is kind of ridiculous. I really didn't expect it when I came here. I was very, very surprised, but I really wouldn't want to be anywhere else. Number 4, dorm room. In the end, I know that all of us want a big closets, but really, you're never going to be in here anyway. It's really just a place to sleep and do your homework, maybe. Look more at how much housing is available for freshmen. Number 5, friends. Don't worry about how many people you already know at school. Think more about how many people you're going to meet. Number 6 is your major. It's okay to choose a school that has a good program as opposed to a school that has a great program. Chances are you will probably change your mind about what you want your major to be, or you'll want to add a minor or something like that. So it's really good to have a wide variety of majors and not just focus on one specific program. Number 7, the facilities. Professors are really the ones that are teaching you, not the computers. So when you get here, it isn't really going to matter what latest technology they have in the library or in the classrooms. If you have a crappy professor, you're not really going to care what device you're using. You're not going to want to go to class. So definitely look for schools that have professors who are passionate about what they teach. And last but not least, the reputation of the school. Almost all of my emails have mentioned that UF is a party school. First of all, Princeton Review may say that it is, but it isn't. When you come to college, education is kind of your first priority. You've emailed me saying that a party school is what you're looking for, or that you kind of don't want a party school. First of all, if you're looking for a party school, you probably aren't going to college for the right reasons. Education is your first priority. That's kind of why you're coming here. The reality is, college is what you make of it. If you want to party all the time, go ahead, but only going to be a party school if you make it that way. What really matters is that it's the right place for you and you only. This is your decision, and this is the time where you can think of yourself first as opposed to everyone else. Really, don't let your parents influence your major decision or where you want to go to school. It's really all about you, and it's your life, and you're going to live it. So good luck with your decisions. Email me if you have any questions, whether it's about UF or just picking a college in general, and good luck.